Hoe gaan dit vandag?
Altyd goed, beter. Doen
jy 'n bietjie oortyd?
Ja.
Okay, julle het baie hard gewerk vandag.
Ja, ons het taamlik alles gedoen gekry. As ons net die props af gehad het, dan kon ons hom vorentoe agter gery. Die brieke is klaar, die klats is klaar. Gedoen, gebloei, alles.
Die voorkant radiators op die pyp.
Radiators op.
Wiele is hierso. Die sitplek is net in, julle gaan nog nie wat te doen. Dan hier die agterkant, die tank is in. Die handbriekabels is gedoen. Is ek reg?
Ja, alles is gedoen. Alles is gedoen.
Al wat hier kort is die prop shop.
Ja.
Nou vir die prop shop sal julle kry sekerlik môre. Binnekant, ons is so te sê alles klaar, daar's nog 'n paar goedjies, maar Waldo, ek dink die groot oomblik het nou vir jou aangebreek.
Ja, ons het julle beloof, vandag start ons.
Ons het 3 gaan hy gestart word en ja, hier gebeur dit dan nou.
Dis nog bietjie van 'n hot wire, maar hy gaan start. Dit is die grootste.
Kyk.
Ja, maar hy loop regtig goed.
Pragtig. Kan hy dit hier hê?
Kan maar agter daar by die poepriet gaan hoor. Klink jy daar?
Mooi gedoen. Hoe klink hy vir jou, as jy happy?
Ja, ek happy. Ons sal nou maar net as alles klaar op is, om vat vir 'n toetsbestuur, dan kan 'n mens nou nog maar 'n bietjie speel met die air jets en bietjie die timing advance en goed.
Ja.
Maar dit sal ons nou op die toetsrand sal ons gaan kyk.
Nou ja, daar is hy. Nog nie daar nie. Ons het nog so 'n paar dae oor, is nou dag 3. En dan gaan hierdie Forte uittrek en ek is baie opgewonde om sommer vanaand ook die nuwe eienaars te hê. Waldo, ek gaan so 'n bietjie met hulle
gesels. So my oom, gesels met hulle.
Nou kom ons hoor wat sê die twee. Dis nou Christen en Kayla. Kom ons gesels eers met Christen. Ek wil hom net bemagtig. Nou Christen, what says you?
Difficult to put it into words, to be honest with you. I thought it was going to take a lot longer than it was, but yeah, Waldo's doing the most. He's pushing hard, and yeah, I believe that it will be done also by day 6. Like Waldo said, maybe not day 6 in the morning, but 12 o'clock is still day 6, and that's 100%. I mean, this, even though he's working so fast, you can't rush perfection, and he manages to do it so quickly, and there's not one detail missed. So, yeah, it's perfect.
What made you decide upon this? It's your birthday gift, is it not?
Yeah, I think it's convenient timing, to be honest with you, because it started off a discussion, a joke between myself and my wife with the price of diesel going up so much. I said, babe, I might as well drive a V8, and at least I'm nice and comfortable with what I'm driving, and I'm happy. She's like, okay, well then do it. And then I started seeing these bakkies pop up, and I got an interest. And then started speaking to people, and then I met Waldo. And yeah, it's been a great journey since then.
And that is now something like a couple of days ago.
Yeah, well, the process started about 2 months ago.
Oh, okay.
But the actual, okay, commit, let's do it, that's been now 3 days to a week ago, yeah. Yeah.
Okay, let's just find out what says the boss.
Yes.
It's Kayla, no?
Yes.
Kayla, let me just stick this
there
in
we
there.
go.
There we go.
There we go.
Okay, you sat inside, you listened to
Yes.
the startup. What does your heart say?
I think that this is a once in a lifetime opportunity. I don't think you'll ever manage to find a bakkie in this condition built by someone that just focuses on every detail. And when we decided to do this, I told him we're not getting a bakkie that's going to break down and leave us stranded. And he ticked off every box. So I must say my husband did it. He found someone that will give us a reliable car and one that will be amazing for our family. So I'm super happy for him. Yeah.
You've inspected it now, you had a good look at it. You're a photographer, right?
Yes.
So you're into detail.
Yes.
And on detail, what's your comment on
I'm speechless actually, because the colors, everything pops. It's exactly the color we wanted. The seats are in pristine condition. So going forward, we're hoping to do a few events, and this is exactly what we need. It ticks off every single box, especially with photography. It's going to be amazing.
Now, okay, now I'm gonna get a little bit personal.
Yes,
You think your family will also enjoy it? It's quite big.
absolutely. We're only 3, and this is all that matters for now. So no, it's going to be perfect for us.
In advance,
Yes, it is a 4-seater.
in advance, congratulations.
Thank you,
thank
thank you,
Many splendid and safe miles.
thank you so much.
very
Thank
much.
you.
Okay, ons daar is sy. Dis dan 3. En nog so klein bietjie om te gaan.